Today headed off to the MidAtlantic Quilt Show. In 5 hours, I'll be there. We've got spring trees blooming already. They may be a little too early. I'm going to stop and get gas and stop by the bank one more time really quickly. I'll see you when we get further along. Lots of traffic, a steady light rain, plenty of trucks on the road. Not the best driving conditions, but I just keep telling myself it'll all be worth it. Anyway, headed towards Durham. At some point I'll be getting off on 58 East, headed to Virginia Beach, then to Hampton. I'm on 58 headed east, smaller road than the big interstate, but it's a nicer, more pleasant drive without quite as many trucks. And it's a little damp-ish, but we're not having the rain that we had for a while too. So I'm happy. Just thought I would show you that we're getting closer and closer to the coast, and you can tell because the land's a whole lot flatter and the highway is raised up because the water table is getting higher. So I have about an hour to go. This is the bridge tunnel that's going across the James River that'll take me between Suffolk, Chesapeake to Newport News and then Hampton. Newport News is a big shipbuilding city. Look at that pelican. I didn't think of pelicans being this far north. That surprises me. Over here are some dry dock facilities. And to the right looks like a lighthouse that's quite a ways from land. Let's see. See that? Looks like an old lighthouse. We're soon going to be entering the tunnel. I haven't been through a tunnel in years. I used to love it as a child. There used to be a man inside the tunnel that would walk back and forth keeping track of traffic. And we used to wave to him. That was our most exciting thing. I think every child did the same. And then they decided, you know, it's not really healthy for this man to spend how many hours inside a tunnel full of pollution? So then what they did is they started doing it by camera. We'll be going into the tunnel in just a moment. For those of y'all who don't know what a tunnel is, it's a little tube with a roadway inside it that goes to the bottom of the seabed for a certain space of time so that ships can go by unimpeded by a drawbridge, or they don't have to build a huge tall bridge. And that way, huge ships can get by unimpeded. To the left, you'll still see the rail where the man used to walk up and back and forth. And back a little ways was a little booth for him to go into. I can only imagine how smelly and loud this tunnel must be. Oh, here comes another little booth, so I'll turn the camera to it so you can see. That's what the men used to stand in. I don't think it gives them all that much of a break. Cameras were fine for me. Now what's kind of interesting is every once in a while you'll go through a tunnel that has a little trickle of water coming in. But this looks pretty well sealed. Now we're back out of it. But in this area, which is right bordered by the ocean, there are all kinds of rivers just cutting through the land. And so you get a lot of bridges and a lot of tunnels. It's a way to get around. Look over here. Then over here, this is also a port city. This used to be, yep, it looks like it still is. It's a coal depot where they unload coal from ships. Don't know, there it is. Coal. So I would think it's a pretty dirty area around here. All right. Now I'm going to turn it off until we get a little closer to the Coliseum. Okay, we're almost here. Just a half mile to go. Boy, I would never have found this place. This looks so different. We used to come off of 64 and then the Coliseum would be right there.
After quarter of a mile,
from the highway.
Turn left, then turn left.
So this is all different.
Turn left, then turn left.
Sorry. I don't know where right now. Aha, here's the Coliseum. A little too close.
After 700 feet, turn left. Then turn left.
Let me go to the front checkout. Here we are. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Okay.
You have reached your destination.
Well, thank you. Here it is. It looks doable. It looks doable. This is the extended stay. Let's check out this bathroom. Okay. And a little refrigerator. Little kitchen.
On there, but I got a phone call from the Lewis and Clark Museum in Oregon, and they said, "Oh, we love your aspen tree. That is the view that the, Lewis and Clark saw when they went out west." I said, "Oh yeah, sure, you like that." Okay, yeah.
It was our first lecture. This was our first lecture. Marjan Kluepfel, my mentor of art quilts, gave it. Here's the convention center. It's a big place. Lots of walking. Here is the classroom hall. We've got tables for people to rest or eat their lunches at. The escalators are turned off. They'll probably be turned on tomorrow. I'm like a kid. I just love escalators. I already saw some people from home. Let's see. Hello. I know you.
I think I know you too.
Okay.
Skip like a little. That lady that does the photos, she's stuck with them.
This is just a glimpse. I'll bring you back tomorrow. But tonight I'm gonna go back and get settled into my room, but this is a teaser for you. The door says Hampton Roads Convention Center. Now there's a nice shuttle bus, but I didn't stay in a hotel that was nice enough to have a shuttle bus. I stayed in the inexpensive group. Well, that was a fun lecture. I thought I was coming to see Susan Cleveland, and instead it was Marjan, and I couldn't have been happier. What an amazing lady who taught me so much, changed my life, because I found my inner art quilter. Isn't this pretty? I'm not used to being out at night, so this is kind of neat. But I had just time to get to my hotel room and rush over here. So I'm gonna go back and get unpacked and settled in. Oh, that's gorgeous.
It makes this all believable, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
I took three
Oh.
to pick the best one. Oh, here.
I just ran out of time.
Oh, wow. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
It was so much fun.
And you can put it on your website. Thank you. Once you get the first one. Okay, this is at eyes, this one's with short eyes.
We shall see.
That's what I was. So the important thing is okay, ready? So.
It's kind of twisty. I think it's because I probably didn't do a scoop first.
Okay, I'll do another one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very
Now, if that helps for the the knicker knot, I'll be happy to do that too.
Yes.
Anything else you feel
I
like you
can't
need,
They're
They
different. They're very
do.
pretty. They're very pretty.
Thank you. This is the space outside of my classroom today on the second floor. Lovely space. Here's a different classroom. We're going to go down the escalator. I haven't done this in years.
Well, I didn't mean to, but it's both more red.